people will be arrested for holding Nigeria's passport. Definitely. I'm not going to make this a prolonged case. So we have to really face the issue of the day, as you can see. Let me show you guys again so that you don't say I've got another passport. I'm going to cover my data because I don't want people to steal my personal data. You can see that. Okay, and the passport number is obviously there. I don't really care. You can see here. So let's do it this way. Okay, so that is the nasty piece of trash and document. And I want to tell them I'm not interested in that shithole. The only time I will come to Nigeria is if they divide that country and we get our Oduduwa Republic. That is the condition to which I will go to my fatherland. Not Nigeria is not my fatherland. So now, guys, I want you to follow the camera as we take it round. As you can see, the passport is still there. And I'm holding it. And that is the piece. And I'm going to do that. You can see it. Goodbye, Nigeria. Fuck you, Nigeria. I am not interested in you, Nigeria. You can see that? I am practically not interested in this nasty piece of a nation. DSS, if you think I am coming to your Rogaland, your Fulani land, you are practically wasting your bloody time. Guys, goodbye, Nigeria. I'm done with you, Nigeria. Not in my life anymore. So they should tell, look, send this round. Let the DSS know. They should know. They should be informed that one crazy man, one nasty Yoruba man is burned. And this is the way Nigeria is going to burn, guys. That is how that country will be burned into ashes. I tell you, this is how Nigeria will end. This is the end of that contraption called Nigeria. That's the end. And I don't need anything from that nation. Before my flag gets fire, let me go and put this straight in the zinc. That's it. Guys, goodbye. Rogaland. I'm done with you. They dared me, and I told them, don't. I'm not interested. See, that person that dared me, I'm going to, that's why I want to make it as short as possible, because I want to send this out ASAP to some other platform for people to see. That's it. I'm done with Nigeria. Done completely. Guys, let me quickly take your comment and we will do the same at some point in time. Nonye love Oteri. Sir, will you visit Nigeria? No. I'm not interested. There are other better places in the world that I can go. Nigeria is not a country. It's a shithole. Wow. I said it. What's in Odiase? I said it. Thank you for that, Kingsley Uzoma. Nonye Oteri. I'm not. You better stick to that Canadian passport, just like that was. See, I was the very first batch of those people that actually got the European Community passport.